Hi friends, welcome to a new video. This video is about neural network. Okay, so neural network, it is similar to our human brain, right? Our human brain consists of what multi-billions of neurons are there. They are connected to each other, sending some neurons sending signal to another. Likewise, so our neural network consists of artificial neurons. Okay, each neurons will be similar to the human brain, right? So it is modeled in accordance with the human brain. That is the main of that neural network is that it should work like our human brain. That's it. Okay, so coming to the neural structure of the neural network. Structure of the neural network, you can see this diagram. You can see several inputs like x1, x2, etc. up to xn. These are the inputs to the neural network, and w1, w2, these are the weight. Okay, so the main components in the neural network are, before that I should say the most basic unit. Okay, the most basic unit in the neural network is perceptron. What is it? Perceptron. Okay, this is the most basic unit in the neural network, perceptron. So perceptron, it takes input as binary, it produces output as binary. Okay, so the most processing unit is this the perceptron. It is the neuron. Okay, then coming to the structure, we can see there are several inputs is there, though, right? Weight is there, then weight and bias is there. Okay, weight and bias, and third is some summation function. Okay, then next is activation function. Okay, last is output. Okay, these are the things that you see in this diagram. Okay, input is given, that is x1, x2, etc. up to xn. Then weight w1, w2 along with bias, and this is summation function, then activation function, then output. So first step is that this input is multiplied with weight, that is x1 w1 plus x2 w2, then likewise, that is input gets multiplied with the weights. Okay, and in second step it is passed into this x1 first step, that is x1 w1 x2 w2, likewise it is fed into the summation function. In the second step, this gets added, that x1 w1 plus x2 w2 plus etc up to xn wn. It is passed into the summation function, that is s. Okay, summation of xi wi. Then after that, after the summation, it is passed into the activation function. Activation function, it will map the input to the output. Okay, map the input to the output, and finally we will get the output. Okay, likewise it goes. So the first step is x1 y1, the input elements gets multiplied with the weights, and in second step it is passed into the that is processing unit, that is summation. It gets added, and after that it is fed into the activation function, and will get the just activation function. It is just it's a mathematical, it uses some mathematical formula to enable, that is to enable the neuron to either the neuron should be activated or neuron should be deactivated. Okay, just activation function determines whether the neuron should be activated or not. Okay, then that is, it maps the input to the output, and finally we'll get the output. So this is the basic idea about the structure of the neural network, and you have to remember that is this w1 w2, this weights, it shows the strength of the neuron. Okay, it shows the strength of the neuron. And about the bias, it is used to change the or vary the curve of the activation. Okay, that is the need of bias. And then summation and activation function is the most important unit. Okay, Then one more point is that this neural network is divided into 3 layers. Okay, 3 layers are the first is input layer. Okay, input layer, and second is hidden layer, and third is output layer. Okay, these are the 3 layers. In the input layer, we are providing the input, that is x1, we are providing x1 w1. Okay, this comes under the input layer. X1 w1, x2 w2, these are comes under the input layer. We are providing the input, and in the hidden layer, they may be one or more layers. Okay, there may be one or more layers, hidden layers in the neural network. So this hidden layer, the summation and activation function is coming under this hidden layer. Okay, that is the transformation, that is the computation for getting the output. Okay, that is coming under the hidden layer. And last is output layer. Output layer contains the outputs. Okay, so these are the 3 layers of the neural network: in input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. And this is the basic structure of artificial neural network. Okay, and coming to the application of neural network, you have been knowing, you might be knowing that this neural network is widely used to identify, that is in image recognition, then speech, handwritten. Okay, handwritten identification of handwritten digits. Then it is most widely used in medical applications. Okay, this neural networks. Okay, so these are the points regarding a short video, short introduction to the neural network. Clear? So thank you.